Good morning, YouTube, or afternoon, or evening, or night, whenever you may be watching this video. Life of Jay here, and I'm back with another video. Before we jump straight to the video, please make sure you hit that thumbs up button, like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell button so you'll be notified every time I drop a new video. Ciao. What up, YouTube, man? Y'all already know who it is. Don't need for an introduction. Look, man, we just about to jump straight into it, man. You know the boys came in today, or the girls, whatever gender you want to give your shoes. But, hey,
Packing the mail, it's gone. Shit like I smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed a deal, I'm on. Yeah.
Hey, look, man. So look, we about to jump straight into it, man. If you've been keeping up with the videos, you know I've been excited about getting these shoes coming in. So here we go. I'm diving into it. Like to see, I'm diving head first. Cobados, so I will breathe. Cobados, so I will breathe. All right, bet. Y'all know how much I love unboxing a new pair of shoes. Y'all know how much I love unboxing a new pair of shoes. They even smell good. They even smell fresh. The smell is fresh, man. I love the smell of a fresh pair of some new kicks, man. You know I do, and I even love them better on my feet. Here we go. Already know what these are, man. Puma RS-X Toys, man. Puma RS-X Toys. Man, I was so excited when I had seen these come in. Now, these are already sold. I copped them for $90, sold them for $120. That's a $30 profit off of the Puma RS-X Toys, man. Puma went crazy with this shoe, man. I'm not even gonna lie, they went crazy. Now this is a size 4 youth right here. What I like about the shoe, the color, like the color of the shoe is just, you know, it remind me of a box of crayons, bro. Like look, you got the red, you got the blue, you got the yellow, you got the white, the black. It just looks like a box of crayons, man. Look at the bottom of the shoe. Crazy. I love the pattern design at the bottom of the shoe. Most people be underestimating the bottom of the shoes, man, but honestly, I like the bottom of the shoes. People underestimate it because you can barely see them. Seeing how much detail they put into the bottom of the shoe, I really F with. You know what I'm saying? I really like it. I like the little designs, the patterns, you know what I'm saying, the colors of it, of course. But this, you know, it remind me of a box of crayons, but it also remind me of Toy Story.
What?
I really think that's why they named it Toys.
Well, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
I don't know, I'm not sure. Y'all let me know. If y'all know why they called these toys, you let me know. But they really remind me of Toy Story, bro. Honestly, they do. They new dead stock, you know, all I sell is dead stock sneakers. They got the paper still in there, you know what I'm saying? Paper, file, fresh. Smell it, shoe. Go on, smell it. I know y'all want to smell it. Go on, smell it. Smell it inside there. Smell fresh, huh? Smell fresh. Alright, that's enough. Don't be sniffing my product, man. You know what I'm saying? I still got to drop these off. I really love this shoe. You know what I'm saying? The laces was white. I feel like I could definitely dress these shoes up, man. Honestly, like, I feel like the shoe is an attention grabber. You know what I'm saying? If that makes sense. Like, no matter what you got on, once you look at the person's feet that's wearing these shoes, you can't help but to notice. Like, F the outfit, bro. F the outfit. This shoe right here is gonna stand out. It's gonna stand out. And that's one thing that caught my eye. It made me want to buy them because they stood out. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so on the side of the shoe, you know what I'm saying, got a good little detail. It say RS running system right there. I don't know what that means. I'm gonna be straight up honest with you. RS running system, I don't even know what that means. I don't even know what the RS or the X stand for in the shoe, but I know they live. I know they live though. I know they live. And they got the little Puma right here. It say RS-X on there with the Puma logo on the tongue sticking out right there. Even the toe of the shoe I like. I like this little pattern going on, man. It make it seem like, now don't find me up in the comments for this, but I don't know why, man, but it looked like a transformer. I'm just gonna go and say it looked like a transformer. You know, they remind me, I got a lot going on. They remind me of a box of crayons. They remind me of Toy Story. And this right here just remind me of a transformer. I don't know. Don't get at me in the comments. I'm just sharing my opinions. That's what I do. I cop these shoes, I resell them, bring them on here, and I try to get y'all opinions, but I also tell y'all my opinion and what I like. Really, all the shoes that I cop, I'm probably gonna like, unless somebody requests a shoe that I just think is just terribly ugly, then I'll be like, oh hell no. Like, I'ma still get them the shoe, but then I'ma come on here and be like, hey y'all, this shoe ain't what's up. You know what I'm saying? This shoe is not what's up. But anyways, back to the shoe, man. Yeah, I really like this. I could definitely throw in, like, imagine these with some yellow laces. Peep me out. Imagine these with some yellow laces. I don't know about y'all out there, but me, when I cop new shoes, I also buy different color laces just so I could switch it up, and I might mismatch the laces. So you see how these just got the standard white laces? Boring. Now, it worked for the shoe, don't get me wrong, it worked for the shoe, I like it, but I try to make my shoes stand out a little bit more. So I could definitely put some yellow laces in here, you know what I'm saying, to bring out the yellow in the shoes right here. Bring out the yellow in the shoes, throw in some yellow laces. It's gonna make this shoe pop. It's gonna make it pop, man. I could also mismatch my laces, you know what I'm saying? So I might have white in this one, yellow in this one, or you could do blue in this one, yellow in this one, blue in this one, red in this one, red in this one, yellow in this one. You know what I'm saying? However you want to do it. But I definitely throw in some yellow laces. And I say the yellow laces because, and not the red, because the tongue is already red. You know what I'm saying? So you don't want to have red laces on a red tongue. So I'll put the yellow laces, and then, you know what I'm saying, you got your red tongue, and then it's less yellow in the shoe. So that's how I think of things, like when I have shoes. Don't get me wrong, I still wear the standard laces that come in the shoe, but all I'm saying is sometimes I like to get a little flavorful. I like to get a little saucy. I like to sauce my shoes up a little bit and just throw in some different color laces to just make the shoe pop, or make the minor details in the shoe pop. That's just me. Y'all let me know what y'all think, how y'all feel about that. I just want to bring these on here. Now, this is like a bulky shoe. You know what I'm saying? This is a bulky shoe. Like, look at it. You know what I'm saying? Look at the heel right here. Look, all right, so this is the shoe right here. Look how much of a heel it is. You know what I'm saying? Like, look, it's real thick. You know what I'm saying? The heel is real thick. That's good for me because I'm 5'7", I'm short, so it's gonna put a little bit of height on your boy. I don't know about y'all, but I kinda like a little bit of extra heel on there. It raised me up about 2 inches. It take me from 5'7" to 6'5" in my head, you know what I'm saying? So I kinda mess with, you know, the little extra room at the bottom. I kinda like it. But yeah, man, I really do like these shoes, man. Like, I'ma say it again, Puma just went crazy. Like, Puma went crazy with these shoes, man. And that's another thing too, man. Like, you starting to see, cause you know, it used to always be about the Nikes. It used to always be about Nikes. Back in the day, you know what I'm saying? At least for me, back in the day, if you had a clean pair of Nikes, bro, you cool. But now you starting to see, like, other shoe brands are starting to elevate their game. Like Puma, for instance, you know what I'm saying? They start, not saying that Puma ain't never had no dope shoes, cause they did. Puma did have dope shoes, but you starting to see they starting to go outside the box. It's like they thinking outside the box with their shoes. Cause honestly, I wouldn't have never expected Puma to come out with a shoe like this. To be honest, I never would have expected them to come out with a shoe like this. This is real. This shoe is for the culture. It's giving me In Living Color type vibes. For all my In Living Color fans out there, or my 90s babies, y'all know what In Living Color is. These days, y'all young, y'all probably don't even know what that show is, but whenever you get a chance, go Google In Living Colors and watch a couple of episodes or whatever. But this is giving me In Living Color vibes, Martin vibes, Fresh Prince of Bel-Air vibes. Like, it's crazy. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's crazy. Other than that, that's really all I got on the shoe. Puma RS-X Toys. Are y'all copying these or are y'all dropping them? Let me know in the comments, man. Do y'all like this shoe? Let me know. Y'all think Puma did a good job with this shoe? What's up? What's up? I'm here to listen. I'm here to listen to y'all. Y'all let me know, man. I really want to have a conversation with y'all, man. What y'all think about these? They clean, they icy, or they just alright? But nah, man, I really like the shoe though. They really nice for real. Box of crayons, Pumas. Transformer, Pumas. In living color, Pumas. Prince of Bel-Air, Pumas. Martin, Pumas. Come on now. Anyways, man, that'll do it for the video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Please subscribe, man. Please subscribe. Y'all know I'm always rocking with y'all. I love y'all. Don't forget to hit that bell button to turn on notifications. Other than that, man, anyways, you already know who it is. I'm out. Drop the mic. Drop the shoe. Alright, man, I'm gone. Deuces.